in the meantime shift focus and talk about the Delhi election victory of the BJP, because it's been 10 days after BJP's historic comeback, and the crucial BJP Legislative Party meeting is likely to be held at 7 p.m. The suspense, however, who will be the next Delhi CM, could finally end. Remember, the BJP registered a stunning victory in the national capital when the results were declared on the 8th of February, and the Aam Aadmi Party that was just reduced to 22 seats, while the BJP won over a majority of 48 seats. Some of the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including national convener Arvind Kejriwal, other leaders like Manish Sisodia, Saurabh Bharadwaj and Satyendra Jain lost the elections, and the Congress once again has failed to open its account, scoring a hat-trick of zeros. So this is what we are getting to know as far as now what is being said, that in the coming days there is a grand ceremony arrangements that are now being made at the iconic Ramlila Maidan, but exactly who would be the CM, that has not been clear. But there are many of them who are said to be the front runners for the CM race. Let's put that out, especially when it comes to who will get the BJP's mandate, who will be the Delhi CM, with the BJP all set to form government in Delhi after a gap of over 25 years. Who would be the pick of the CM? Because this is a list of the probables that we talk about. And of course, when it comes to their background, that may pose a possibility of them becoming the CM of the national capital. Parvesh Verma there, of course, being labeled as the giant slayer, coming from the Jat community. There is Rekha Gupta as well, coming from the Bania community. There we are looking at Vijendra Gupta, also coming in from the Bania community. Satish Upadhyay, a known Brahmin face in the BJP, and so is Pawan Sharma, also a known Brahmin face within the BJP. Virendra Sachdeva, who is a Khatriya Punjabi, coming from the community there, as multiple factions there in Delhi are also from the Khatri Punjabi region. And we also talk about Ashish Sood, who is also coming from the Punjabi community there. So are these the probables, or the BJP will come up with a fresh new face, remains to be seen. But the oath-taking ceremony that is slated for tomorrow, and the preparations that are on in full swing at Delhi's iconic Ramlila Maidan for that. And amid the suspense, who will be the BJP's pick for the CM's face, Aam Aadmi Party has now attacked the BJP, with the outgoing Chief Minister Atishi now taking a dig, saying that the delays show that the BJP has no face. And former AAP Minister Gopal Rai also claiming that there were deep divisions within the BJP, predicting that there could be different chief ministers in the next 5 years. Listen into how Aam Aadmi Party has also been reacting. In the meantime, we'll put out exactly when it comes to what the Aam Aadmi Party has now saying, because right after their decimation in the Delhi election, they have been consistently saying that they will now pose the role of a strong opposition. However, not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but other political parties too in the opposition, in the Vipaksh, have now raising questions as to, it's been over a week now, and there is still no Delhi CM. So let's get in a word from Isha. Isha, now that the Prime Minister is also back from his US visit, what are we now looking at as far as the ceremony preparations that have been made on ground? But who will be the face? Will that be revealed today?
Right, Amita, the lotus has bloomed in the national capital after 27 years, and we are reporting to you from the Ramlila Maidan. In fact, this is the same historical Ramlila Maidan that around last year, this is where all the India Bloc parties had come together to do a show of strength rally, and now this is the same place from where the national, from where the BJP will be holding a ceremony for electing their new CM. I request my camera person Amil to show around here the visuals. You can see towards the other side, the stage has also been mounted for the ceremony, which is all set to take place tomorrow. In fact, sources have also confirmed to Times Now that it will be a grand event, and 25 to 30,000 invites have been sent out. Union ministers have been invited, and major religious seers have also been invited. Their blessings will also be taken. But again, Amita, the question that is emerging is that the Aam Aadmi Party and the other allies are attacking BJP for not having a chief ministerial face, for running the election without a chief ministerial face. But the BJP has taken that head on and actually won the election with a sharp majority. And also now they have several candidates in the fray. And but today we are expecting that by late evening there will be some clarity over who the Chief Minister will be. There have been a lot of names that have been propping up: Rekha Gupta, Satish Upadhyay, Virendra Sachdeva, who is currently the BJP president, the Delhi BJP president. But of course, a lot of names coming in, but the final decision will be taken in today.
All right. So as far as the legislative party meeting, that will be happening in the evening, and the possibility of the face that would be revealed of who will be the next Delhi Chief Minister from the BJP side remains to be seen, as grand arrangements that have already been made for the swearing-in ceremony that will be taking place at the Ram Leela Maidan. Isha, thank you very much for joining us live.